Today I would start with the topic of equivalent ratio. This is from Dewdrop Term Book 2, lesson number 5, ratio. Now we were on this topic. Find the missing term. 27:21 is equals to 9:, blank. So we take it as x. Okay, let's take it as x. The unknown number is x. Now if we multiply this, what was the question? 27:21 is equals to 9:x. Okay, this is the question given. Now as we know that ratio can be written as 27/21 is equals to 9/x. Now there is a property of cross multiplication. Okay, now we cross multiply it. According to it, 27 into x is equals to 9 into 21. Okay, 9 into 21 is equals to 27 into x. So this x, 21 will go down. So this will become 9 into 21 upon 27. Okay, so 9 into 3 is 27 and 3 7. So answer will come out to be 7. So the answer is 27:21 equals to 9:7. In case we have to cross check it, so we can cross check it like 9 into 3 is 27. Similarly 7 into 3 is 21. So the answer is 7 is right. Okay, this is all because of cross multiplication. You can note it down somewhere, cross multiplication. Now the last topic is dividing a whole of a given ratio in a given ratio. Now in this you have to take note that for example a bottle is 350 ml of water. It is poured into 2 glass in the ratio 2:3. So what is the quantity of water in each glass? Now in this what you do is take out the sum of the terms. Okay, whichever is given. If it is given 2:3, then we have to add 2 plus 3, which is equals to 5. Okay, if it is 1:1, then it will become 2. We will add the terms. And the second thing which we will do is, first of all, what we will do, we will add the terms. Okay, and the second thing what we do is, in case we have to take out the ratio, how we will take out? Ratio upon sum into the quantity. Okay, ratio upon sum into quantity. This is the formula. You can note it down somewhere. Ratio into sum, ratio upon sum into quantity. Now let us take the help of an example. Sum of the terms of the ratio is given 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, which I have told you earlier. Now a bottle is given you of 350 ml of water. Quantity of water in first glass is 2 and quantity of water in second glass is 3. Okay, so quantity of water in first glass is 2 upon 2 plus 3 into 350 ml. Okay, and quantity of water in second glass is 3, which was given here 3 upon 2 plus 3 into 350 ml. By this the answer will come out. Let us solve with one more example. This is, I am taking the example number 2 of your book only. I am taking example number 2. Rupees 4,000 is being divided between Aarti and Julie in the ratio 9:11. So Aarti has ratio 9 and Julie has ratio 11. First of all, what we will take out? The sum of the ratio, which will come out to be 9 plus 11 is equals to 20. Now if we have to take out the sum for Aarti, I will take out ratio upon sum into quantity. This was the formula. Now ratio, what is the ratio of Aarti? 9. Sum is 20 and amount is 4,000. Okay, understood or not? Now what about Julie? Julie ratio is 11, sum is 20, amount given is 4,000. In this way the answer will come out. 9 upon 20 into 4,000 is 1800 and it will come out to be 2200. This is the answer. 1800 rupees and 2200 rupees. That's it. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.